SUMEC FIRMAN petroleum generator. So I recommend you guys, if you want to check it, you can see the name is there. For people in Nigeria, so people in Nigeria, you know what I'm showing you guys. And if you go to caution side, if you go to the caution side, it said do not use indoors due to danger of carbon monoxide poisoning. Do not use the gel inside due to danger of carbon monoxide. It has a dangerous carbon monoxide. It's a poison. It's a poison. So it have killed a lot of people. So if you are using this generator, don't use it indoor. Don't use it, what I say, indoors. Don't use it indoors. It's a new generator. You can see everything is new. So the tire, everything is a new powered FIRMAN generator. So that's that's it. Never use indoors to avoid inhaling the danger of carbon monoxide poisoning. It kills. This gene is good for people in Africa. You can check out this gene. You can see the name here. You can zoom it. You can feel it and see the name. You can see the name. So if you're using this type of gene, drop a comment. Tell us how your own is. How your own is more important thing. So I got to keep it there for you to see. Please make sure you do subscribe, like, and share. That's the most important thing.